हाय गाइस, आज अपन डिस्कस करेंगे एबॉर्शन. ओके, abortion is the explanation of extraction of the embryo or fetus weighing 500 grams or less than 500 grams from the maternal uterus when it is not capable of independent survival outside the uterus. It has two types: स्पॉन्टेनियस एंड इंड्यूस. स्पॉन्टेनियस में अपने 6 तरह के टाइप्स होते हैं: इनकम्प्लीट, कंप्लीट, थ्रेटेंड, इनएविटेबल, मिस्ड एबॉर्शन और सब्टिक्शन. अब यहाँ पे अपने आ गया है स्पॉन्टेनियस. स्पॉन्टेनियस में क्या लिखा है? व्हेन अबॉर्शन occurs without any intervention, it is known as an spontaneous abortion. It is type in this type of abortion, spontaneous loss of product of fertilization occurs. Spontaneous abortion is also known as miscarriage. Okay. Next अपन आता है induced abortion. When product of the conception are removed deliberately to attain any objective, then it is known as induced abortion. Okay, then next type of spontaneous abortion. Spontaneous में अपने 6 types होते हैं. First of all, incomplete. It is a type of abortion in which where there is incomplete expulsion of product of conception from the uterine cavity. The type of abortion is in which during the process of abortion some product of conception expel out, some remain inside. It is the commonest type of abortion found in a woman visited hospital due to abortion associated problems. A woman suffering from the incomplete abortion frequently describe expulsion of clots and pieces of tissues through the vagina and reports vaginal deliveries. Clinical manifestation: passes of clots through the vagina, vaginal bleedings, pain in the lower abdomen, cervical dilation, and during bleeding sign and symptom of shock are seen. Then next अपना मैनेजमेंट पे अपना कंप्लीट अब आती है कंप्लीट में. कंप्लीट में क्या होता है? द टाइप्स ऑफ अबॉर्शन which all the products are expelled out from the uterus is known as complete abortion. Signs and symptoms: woman has a history of passes of clots after abortion, pain subside and bleeding decrease and finally stop. On internal exam we find cervix is closed, uterus is empty, and sign of pregnancy is regress. अब नेक्स्ट आता है अपना थ्रेटन. इट इज़ अ टर्म यूज फॉर vaginal bleeding and other symptoms such as colicky, pain in the lower abdomen, backache, and that suggests that a woman is at increased risk of miscarriage during the first week of the pregnancy. Type of abortion: the process of the abortion it has started but not affected the fetus to a stage from where recovery is not possible. इसका साइन एंड सिम्टम्स है vaginal bleeding, colicky, pain in the lower abdomen, healthy state, woman is stable. In most cases, pregnancy continues continually. Inevitable अपना आता है. It is an abnormal condition occurring before 20 complete weeks of characterized by the profuse vaginal bleeding and dilated cervix in which expulsion of the product of conception from the uterine cavity is certain. In other words, become see that inevitable abortion in an abnormal condition, whereas the process of abortion started and affected embryo to safety to stage from where recovery and continue of pregnancy is not possible. इसमें ज़्यादातर प्रेगनेंसी कंटिन्यू नहीं हो पाती है. इसमें अपना साइन एंड सिम्टम क्या है? वजाइनल ब्लीडिंग, सीवियर कॉलिकी पेन होता है, बहुत तेज पेन होता है। साइज ऑफ द यूट्रस इज स्मॉलर देन द पीरियड ऑफ gestation. An internal opening of the cervix is dilated. Clinical feature of shock may appear. हो सकता है शायद. Missed a person. It is an abnormal condition in which fetus has died but retained inside the uterus. Missed abortion is also known as silent miscarriage. Silent symptoms क्या है इसके? Presence of brownish discharge through the vagina. Pain is usually absent. Early pregnancy symptoms such as morning sickness, breast changes, etc. disappear. Failure to weight gain as normal happen pregnancy. Pregnancy test become negative. FHS are absent. Absence of fetal movement. It may cause very severe infection. अब अपना आता है सेप्टिक इन्फेक्शन. सेप्टिक अबॉर्शन, सेप्टिक अबॉर्शन इन द इन्फेक्शन ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट of conception is known as septic abortion. Septic abortion commonly occurs after unsafe induced abortion. Induced abortion के unsafe करने से ये अपना होता है. In this type of abortion, infection may spread other body parts and as a result septicemia may occur. अब इसके causes क्या होते हैं? मेजर causative organism और स्ट्रेप्टोकोकस, स्टेफाइलोकोकस, ई कोलाई, स्यूडोमोनास कैप्सुला, कोलेस्ट्रीडियम टिटेनिया. रिस्क फैक्टर क्या हो सकते हैं इसके? अनसेफ अबॉर्शन इट if the woman is suffering from STD, sexual transmitted disease, if the fetal membrane surrounding the fetus has ruptured. Sign and symptoms क्या है? High grade fever, tachycardia, chills, presence of the foul smell, discharge through the vagina, severe pain in the abdomen, backache. अब अपना आता है रिकरेंट अबॉर्शन. ठीक है. लॉस ऑफ 3 or more time consecutive pregnancy spontaneous before 20 weeks of gestation in a woman is known as recurrent abortion. It is also known as habitual abortion cause in about 50 to 60% cases are recurrent miscarriage, exact known as unexplained. 50 to 60% unexplained है. Even after various investigation, it is always possible to identify the exact cause of recurrent abortion. However, some of the probable causes are the anatomical abnormalities such as congenital uterine disorder, fibroids या endometritis. अपना chromosomal abnormalities. Third, endocrinial disorder such as hypothyroidism, uncontrolled diabetes mellitus, polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS. Infection है चौथा, such as rubella, toxoplasmosis, measles, cytomegalovirus, herpes simplex और syphilis etc. ऐसे देखो अपना कॉजेज है सारा. अरे कॉजेज है अपने कॉजेज में अपने कितने टाइप के? 7 टाइप के हैं. क्रोमोसोमल कॉज, एबनॉर्मलिटी, एनाटॉमिकल एबनॉर्मलिटी, इन्फेक्शन, अपना एंडोक्रेनियल, मैटरनल और ऑटोइम्यून और एलोमिन एंड अदर कॉज. अपना क्रोमोसोमल में 4 हो सकते हैं: ट्राइसोमी, पॉलीप्लॉइडी, मोनोसोम, एबनॉर्मलिटीज. क्रोमोसोमल में देखो 50% केसेस एबॉर्शन में क्रोमोसोमल एबनॉर्मलिटी ही होती है. ट्राइसोमी मतलब 3 कॉपीज ऑफ क्रोमोसोम इन द साइड ऑफ 2. पॉलीप्लॉइडी मतलब मोर देन 2 complete sets of the chromosomes. Monosomy 1 chromosome is missing in the pair. Anatomical abnormalities में incompetent cervix, vaginal malformation of the uterus, fibroids. इन्फेक्शन में टॉर्च इन्फेक्शन हो गया, अपना वायरल HIV हो गया, बैक्टीरियल बैक्टीरियल ब्रूसेला, ये सब। अपना एलो इम्यून हो गया, मैटरनल हो गया, अदर को ऑटो इम्यूनिटी हो गया।